spit you.
Yellow number 9 in the corner pocket.
Nice. I think even just kissing it, I'd go in there and scratch.
Kiss it.
Kiss my ass goodbye. All right. Always need a little extra, even though we live abundantly. Hashtag blessed. Don't look for. Oh. Can I really get the position right? I really get it. Ooga! Showbiz, honey, come on.
Call it.
Okay, 8 ball over there. I'm
Mother and father. His mom and dad were sleeping.
I went upstairs in the rec room. I'm going through the closet. Moved out the saddle bag out of there so I could get into the extra press because the sun goes over my foot right there. Sat on that. What kind of semi-automatic gun? 16 gauge. Okay.
He says he walks into the doorway of the bedroom and he stares at his parents. His statement is that he sits Indian style, his words, Indian style, on the floor. And he's got the gun across his lap, staring at his parents. And then he says he gets up and he goes over to his mom's side of the room.
Took the 16 gauge, put it up to her head.
Let's see what he's doing. He's a hustler. Yes, he is. This little striker is a hustler. Look at him. Whoa, whoa, look at him batting that ball. Whoa. We're playing pool, baby. Not baseball. Okay, there we go.